Hi there. I'm having a voiceover today because my house is a little bit loud right now. That's why my lips aren't moving. We're starting the end at the beginning. These are all the beans that I shelled. A full 5-gallon bucket and a little bit extra. That's all the beans that I shelled, so let's see the beginning now. This is before I started. This is the full 5-gallon bucket of beans. Here is the little bit of beans that I started shelling before I got the idea to make a video. These are Ozark cowboy beans. They're the best bean I've ever had in my whole life. And there's the shells from the little bit of shelling that I'd done up to this point. Here's where I show you the biggest bean that I've found up to this point. It had 15 beans in it. I thought that was pretty big, so my plan was to save the big ones. Alright, so this one has, I counted 15 beans in it, which is pretty big. Some of them, let's see, this one probably only has about 4 or 5 good ones. Let's see. Oh, this one's terrible. I'm not selecting that one for next year. This one's also kind of terrible, all spread out. But, oh man, look at this one. Holy moly, this might actually be, I just randomly pulled this one out. That's a monster. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This probably has 18 or 19 beans in it, so now I'm going to save this one instead of the ones with 17. I just shelled it, and it had 20 beans inside of it. That just shatters my previous record. All these beans that I have is only from about 10 plants. In really crappy dirt. Never watered. Not mulched, nothing. So now I have 20 seeds, which, I mean, they germinate really well, so I'll probably get at least 17 plants. And the mommy and daddy plants are all going to be the ones that made these big giant beans, so hopefully that's all I get next year. Alright, the final tally on my 5-gallon bucket of bean pods was exactly 4 pounds, which I put in this nice bag. Here it is again as I squeeze it and grab it like some kind of weirdo. But I thought it was pretty good for 12 plants, 4 exact pounds of beans, my favorite beans ever. And then here are the seeds that I saved for next year. I only found 2 pods out of I don't know how many thousand bean pods I opened up. Only 2 of them had 20 beans in there. So I saved all of those. I have 40 beans. Maybe if somebody might want to try one of these beans, I'll send you 1 or 2 because I don't need 40 bean plants. Let me know in the comments. And I hope you like my bean video. See you next time.